Uba wailat miki Shillong lapan pau bagajing don ka Medical College kaba lakajong hakajela kada gajing trang ka bakraw ki Paidbah ka Meghalaya bat kalong gajing sngo sarong ka bakraw ka jela. Namar kata ke Sorkar ke Thmu ban khot kerpang yo Menteri Rang Bado Kariu Narendra Modi banwan Plie ke Shillong Medical College. Wallahi ki por ki balalej Menteri Rang Bado Kariu la ai por arsien dari uklam la banwan namar ba omlaj. Ban menta ke Sorkar kerang ap bakin dep ki kam election baro kenang ban laj ka por jong u bat ban yok ban pat tarik na u. Uba wailat miki Shillong la pentep ke Sorkar ka kwa ban pendep ini ke jing Plie ha kani ke senam namar ba ki kelas pulih doktor na ke benta ke senam ke benengkong na ke first year kelas sedang bagi National Medical Council kala ai jingbet ban pendrong haruk sampong ngot ki samla pulih hadian bagi lawan kimi ya ke jingbet jingbiang ke jaka.
So it's a big achievement and it's a big thing for the state. So that's why we want that in for this particular function, we would like the Honorable Prime Minister to come and inaugurate it himself. No doubt in the past also, I think in 2 instances he has given the date, but due to unavoided circumstances, he couldn't come. So this time also again, like we were waiting for all the election to get over, and now we again will approach him for the dates. But we would like to if it can be done as soon as possible, it will be better for us, because we would like to do it by this year itself, because as you all know that the classes already started for the first year. So that's why as soon as possible, but that also since we are talking about Prime Minister, so it's up to him. It's like we got the permission for 50 numbers because the medical council, they come and check accordingly, then they will give the permission. So for now we have got the permission for 50 numbers of students.
Hagabayday ba Tura Medical College ba wailat miki Shillong le thu ba Sorkar menshwa kal Thmu ban penteri kameka Lyngba ka PPP mode. Magajing ban yo ki professor ba gino hikai. Kumalamat ka por ba penkrea ke Shillong Medical College. Ula penchai ba ban yo ki faculty na kabentasan pongut kisamla puliru kelong ka ba kat ba Tura pat kelong hadu shispa san pongut. Nrai nama kejing dawa ba kejing sngo ki Paidbah ki bakwa ba ka Tura Medical College ru ka diben penyat ke Sorkar hi kumbalong Shillong Medical College ke Sorkar kelasime karai ban penlong yaka kum ka Government Medical College. Mentang Sorkar kelapan mi kejing penmena ban thungkam ki professor ba kinong hikai ba ketemu ban sedang penteri kampura yaka na kebenta ka samoi pulia ke ban board. Wala kane baro kan syong ha kejing yo kinong hikai ki babiang.
So it's not some recruitment, as you all know that no doubt in the past, because we have actually during the process of making the Shillong Medical College operationalized, also we have faced the challenges of getting the professors and all. So that's why we thought that it's better to go with a PPP mode for Tura Medical College, because as you know, even getting this faculty for 50 numbers of students also is quite challenging. So now, as you all know, Tura is will be 150, but so that's why then we opt for this PPP mode. But later on, that I think the people, because after seeing that the Shillong Medical College has started as government medical college, so they also want Tura also want it to be a government-run medical college. So no doubt we try to explain them, try to share them with all the challenges, but still the people really want to see it as a government medical college. So that's why we thought that ultimately it is for the people. So why not we give it a try? So that's why we later on then we decided that we'll go for the government medical college. Then that's why now we have floated the advertisement for the professors, for this faculty, for the Tura Medical College. See, we want to operationalize it by this year. Means by next session we want to take the student. So that depend we have to see. We'll know only after the completion of this the recruitment of this faculty only. So whether we'll have the number or not, then only we'll be able to say that. But otherwise, government is committed to make it operationalized by next session.
Shapang ki jingtai jingshna ha ka Shillong Medical College. Uli thu babuan ki tender kilami namar kani kam ka bahe. Ha ka beningkong ke Sorkar ke penbiang ki jingdan kam badang hap ban pendap kloy kum kamadan nela kai bat kiwai. Narendra ka benta ki yeng ki bahe ula shong ha ka jingelang ban khot ki riu shampang ban shna ha ka detailed project report. Uli kendoru yu menteri rangba ka jelau beletuklar ban penbiang tengka walada anle aka hagi benta bat ki kerteng namar ka jing buan palat jong ka jinglut. Halor ka jing ajing syakri ka bakham janai kum ka robotic surgery udaong bagi Sorkar ka penbiang yang kapisa kenang bagi profesor bagi doktor kinla bandai ki conference bagi conclave banyak jing tip halor ki kor ki bor ki batmai namar benta ka jing Thmu kelong ban ajing syai shwai ki doktor bagi samla pulia shwaban wanra ikini ki kor ki bor u menteri ketenat kokot kakya uba wailat miki Shilong la pensyairu bagi Shillong Civil Hospital keladai lupa ke benta jong ka Shillong Medical College bolong kum ka hikai bat namar baro ki medical college ki hak benete bagi hospital nak benta ke jumpule ke bedai bat ka practical.
Actually, there are a number of tenders have been called because since we all know that it is a brownfield project, so a lot of infrastructure it's needed. But right now, for the first year, we are quite okay, and we already floated the numbers of tenders also for the Shillong Medical College, for this playground and other necessities. We have already called, but ultimately we need a big building, a big project. So for that also I have chaired a meeting just recently, I think last month only. So we have called for the expression of interest for the people who will come and prepare the DPR. So we are already on the process. So we'll prepare the DPR and we'll get it sanctioned. And just a few days back also I went and met CM specifically for the infrastructure of Shillong Medical College, and he also assured me that get the DPR as soon as possible. Maybe we cannot do it at one go, but we'll do it in phase manner, because you know that we need a very big infrastructure for the Shillong Medical College.
Shapang gajing penhe ke civil hospital uli tu bakalong ke bae namar kajaka kakapnya. Dari Lyngba ke jingis nutu bat ke Red Cross Meghalaya balekular ban ai ke jaka menta ke Sorkar kelasna ya ke detail project report ban penhe ke hospital bat chen an penmi ke tanda ha ke bentakan ni.
We are planning on expanding it, and then but as you know that it is already functional, so it is very challenging for us because of the kind of location where it is. But thankfully to the Red Cross Meghalaya last time when CM visited this lady mother and child I think this center, or I don't recall exact name. So they have agreed to give their land for the civil hospital to expand it. So we'll expand it. We already prepared the DPR also. So I think very soon we will be coming up with the tender and all. So where we'll accommodate them also, and the area will be given to the civil hospital also to use it, to expand it.
Harga bayi day bagi jeng terwa ban ai jakai ki doktor sebar ke jela kerang ban kering ya ki specialist. Uba wailat miki shela ulong bagani ke digamat ke ba la ban kata ya ki jeng snow. Namar ke day bat ke Meghalaya Land Transfer Act. Ulapan pau bu kwa ban ai jeng mod ai halor kania namar la da ailat ki doktor kin samiru ki jeng dawan ki professor bat ki wai ki tanat chakri. Ulakam baga jeng ban yo ki specialist kam shong tang ha ke jaka dari dan ru ki wai pat ki dau bagi Sorkar kanang wat ki wai pat glenti banweng ngene ke jing kam dakta ya ka an jong ke jela.
No, see, this is a very sensitive issue, as you all know. So I think it's not wise for me to comment on that, because this is dealing with the Land Transfer Act, where the act is already in place. So if you talk about doctor today, so what about tomorrow if the professors and some other important services also will come? So I think it is not wise for me to give comment on that, but no doubt it is challenging, because we have seen it ourselves also. If we are facing challenges of having specialists, and even the professors coming and teaching, we have been facing that difficulty. But that is the only reason. I think that might not be. There are other reasons as well. So no doubt we will try to look to the other aspect, but particularly for that matter, I think I cannot give any comment on that because that is a very sensitive matter.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda pi tharai kan ni ka bisa. Kali jono kan ni. Ba ka hospital te kala ajkai nang ni.
Binti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu.
Sister, hap siu kat no ma.
Ka Sorkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsiam ka long ka koridor.